What's up, guys? So today I got my E36 right here, and I've actually had this car for a while and I've already done a bit of stuff to it. You can check that out on my Instagram. And but yeah, so this is just the first time it's going to be debuted on the channel. So this car is a 1998 328 IS, and it's a 5-speed manual. Came like that from the factory. It's not swapped or anything. It's got the Zia 5-speed. Let's see, and as you can see, the color, it's actually not the regular one, which I think is like Boston green or something. Or yeah, so this color is pretty unique. It's an individual color. It's ascot green. Let's pop the engine bay and show you guys real quick. Right here, ascot green, and you can see it came on some eBay coils. These are Rev 9. I'm probably gonna get rid of them and get some better ones. Ooh, I forgot about this. So yeah, this is the cap for the AC recharge thing. So I did that. Got the AC working, replaced the blower motor. That was a huge pain in the ass. Oh shit, damn, it's leaking some coolant somewhere. But yeah, so some other stuff I've got done is I did the radiator. It's a Mishimoto aluminum radiator. Got some new coolant hoses right here, there. Oh, this is the coolant bleeding screw, I guess. Yeah, this is made of brass, I think, so it's a lot better than the plastic one, because plastic one always strips. So yeah, this is the M52 B28 motor. Came in the late models, the LCIs. Alright, so these are the wheels. These are the Style 5 17-inch ones, so it means they're the 2-piece. And I got these in a set of 6 for about, what was it, 750 bucks. And then me and my friend CJ, we stripped the clear coat and then sanded it, wet sanded, and then polished. And yeah, so that's how we got these wheels to be shiny. You can see the brake dust picks up on it pretty quickly. Alright, so moving on to the exhaust. My current setup is just, the exhaust is completely stock except for the muffler. And this is a Remus muffler I picked up for 100 bucks from QBM. So yeah, here it is. I had to do some custom work because I was told that it came off of an E36, but for some reason the hangers didn't line up. So I had to do some custom welding for that. And then down there you can see my shitty welds. This is like the first time I've done anything major, I guess, with welding, so don't mind that. But yeah, so I had to connect it up to the stock exhaust through welding, and then I don't know if you can see, but there's a V-band clamp right there. I had to do that too because the car, originally when I got it, had a pretty bad exhaust leak because the it was just rusted and the coupling part just broke. So yeah, there's the V-band clamps. And then, ooh, you can see the suspension. You can see I got CA tuned camber arms, and that came on the car when I bought it. And then I don't know if you can see, but I also got their garagistic red poly mounts or bushings. So that's for the subframe. And then I also did okay, where's CJ right here? So for the garagistic poly bushings, I've got pretty much everything done, I think. So somewhere in there is the engine mounts. Right there, it's a little dark, you can't really see it. I got the motor mounts in there, got the transmission mounts. Then I got the R tabs also. Can't really see it. I got the diff mounts. Oh yeah, and the diff came with a 3.38 diff from a M3, automatic M3 that came with the car, so I got pretty lucky. And yeah, I've got some other stuff done too. Got the NRG quick release and steering wheel. And then oh, another cool feature, since this car is from Canada, there's no miles on here, it's only kilometers. And yeah, here's the brown interior, which we're gonna be swapping soon. And then got the saggy headliner, you know, normal E36 stuff. Oh yeah, and also right here I got the garagistic chassis mount short shifter, so that's why I had all the bushings done and the poly mounts and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then here's my bagged E90, that's a daily. But yeah.